Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 5 genius kitchen cleaning tips using Eno. And guys, we are going to talk about some common kitchen hygiene issue that you might be overlooking. Let's start with the burner. Burner can accumulate grease and grime over time, which can be fire hazard. Make sure to clean them regularly with a degreasing and scrub brush. Next up, let's talk about kitchen clothes. It's important to wash your kitchen towels apron frequently to avoid spreading bacteria. If you are using a cloth towel to wipe up spills, make sure to use a fresh and one each time. Now onto knife and spatula. These tools come into contact with the food, so it's crucial to keep them clean and wash them with hot soapy water after each use, and make sure to dry them thoroughly. And finally, let's talk about the sink. And the sink is breeding ground of bacteria. If not cleaned properly, make sure to scrub it down with hot soapy water and differences regularly. And remember, keeping your kitchen clean is essential for your health and safety. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your kitchen is clean and healthy environment and cooking and eating. First, let's talk about burner. If you have a stove and stand on your burner, sprinkle some Eno on them and let it sit for a few minutes. Then scrub it off with a sponge and rinse it with water. Your burner will be as good as new in on time. Next, let's talk about kitchen clothes. To get rid of any lingering odors and stains on your kitchen clothes, soak them in a bucket of warm water with a spoonful of Eno for an hour, and then wash them as you normally would, and they will come out smelling fresh and clean. Now moving on to knives. If your knives have become dull and rusty, make a paste using Eno and water and apply it to the blade, and it sit for a few minutes. Then scrub it off with a sponge, and your knives will be sharp and shiny once again. Now let's talk about spatulas. To remove any stubborn food stains from your spatulas, mix Eno with some warm water and soak the spatula in the mixture for an hour. Then wash them as you normally would, and they will be clean and stain free. So guys, finally let's talk about the sink. To get rid of any unplaced odor and stain in your sink, sprinkle some Eno around the sink and then pour some vinegar over it and let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse it with water. Your sink will be sparkling clean and smell free. So there you have it guys, 5 genius kitchen cleaning tips using Eno. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing such kind of video. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspire you is my passion, and I am grateful for the opportunity to do what I love every day. And whether you have been following me from the beginnings or just recently discovered my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you, and I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, and I am always looking for ways to improve and grow as a creator. Your feedback and comment are incredible valuable to me, so please keep them coming. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a new video. And if you enjoy my content, please share it with your friends and family. Once again, thank you for watching, and thank you for your support. It means more than words can express. I can't wait to continue creating content that brings joy and inspiration to your life. So guys, till then, bye, take care, thank you for watching my video.